Answer to the balik conversation na encouragement sa mga kapatid mo. Kaya ito ba mo binigay? Answer ng pagkakas mo.
Sardine ka.
Hello, Di Kwangalu.
Hi.
Let me ask you a very simple question. English ko sapo ni. Wala sapo ni, English sapo to. Ha.
让拉探的他。
Nang rin na hari pang khao, khao rin na tu may pang khao, hawai nang may ito lalo to. Tu may pang khao.
Mary says na lao tia to.
Mary, thank you. Nago ho.
Contestant number 8, Gankay na Taibay.
So, Michael.
Hello, Miss Gunn, contestant number 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Good evening to you.
Good evening, sir.
You look so pretty and really beautiful you are tonight.
Thank you, sir.
Let me ask you a very simple question tonight. Feel free and respond it.
Sure.
If you did not make it to this contest tonight, what would you do? I repeat, if you did not make it to this contest, what would you do tonight? What would you do?
Wrong la ko ma daw ko ke.
Okay.
Mi to contest hai ai la bang se ni aluning ko hearts ni me feelings pa na ta mage because I believe my judges. Then you know to me the judge lopne me the lum de. Hai zeng karina aluning ko nungai mo mi to feel so cha mage. I'll just happy. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Contestant